If you are getting fake leads for your Google Ads campaign, then watch this video, because in this video I got a similar query. So let's get see the query first and then my answer. So the query is, hello, I'm running ads to get leads for home remodeling company. My landing pages allow them to submit a request via form to request a free estimate on the cost. I get a lot of fake submissions. Why would people put in fake submissions for estimate, or why would be boots doing this? There is nothing to gain. Okay, first of all, there are lots of spam programs going on right now, and even I usually get very spammy leads or codes. So a good way to sort out or resolve this is to first of all have a CAPTCHA on your forms. This can help you. For those who don't know, CAPTCHA is like a numbers or something like I can show you. They have to verify the number before they can submit the form. This can help in restoring the boots. Now the boots are even sometimes people are trying to reach out to you with different services, or they are mass advertising their offers. So which is why the boots are running out and filling out the forms just to get the lead in front of you. They may think that out of 1000 one may customer can get converted. So this is another reason. So install CAPTCHA to see it around. Now the second is look around for your keywords. Okay, in case if your keywords are thinking I mean not keywords, but to be specific, look for your search term report. Search term report can actually tell you, just have to go to your Google account, search for your search term report, and you can easily figure out what kind of people are showing out, and this will help you in adding negative keywords. Now I have another video in where I have explained in detail regarding the intent and how the intent affects your advertising. So look for that video and then come back over here, because the intent actually plays a very crucial role. So focus on that and then come up back, because negative keywords can help you in optimizing your leads, or or keywords which are not converting at all. You can simply remove it after looking around on the search term report. I'm sorry I cannot show you the search term report for this, but I just give you a generic idea where you can see in detail. However, I think you have seen a lot over here right now. So these are few of the things which can tell you regarding this. Now the number third aspect is you can use various tools. For instance, I recommend people to use StatCounter. Now what does StatCounter do is they actually, it's a free tool. I'm not advertising it. It helps you in figuring out those IPs which are just clicking on your ads and they are spending time. So you can get an idea of those IPs, and then you can simply exclude your IPs based on, even you can go to your campaign settings. Let's say we're going into the campaign settings, and then we can simply exclude those IPs by writing over here those IPs from which where you are getting the fake traffic. So this is another perspective way. So you can use other tracking or analytical software as well, but I'm suggesting you to use StatCounter because it's free. But again, you can use any as per your convenience. This can also help you in sorting out the fake traffic, fake leads, so you can get the premium and most out of it. But in either case, if you want me or my team to have a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, or in case if you want us to look for your Google Ads audit, setup or management, or even for your Google My Business or other digital marketing needs, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. So I hope I answered your query, and we look forward working with you. Take care and bye bye.